Ngesikhathi uqala isicelo sebheyili ummeli womswela wokuqala uPeter Thabethe uadvocate Velem Edeling SC ucele inkantolo ukuthi ingasinqabi isicelo sebheyili njengoba kanalo icala eliqinile abekwe lona futhi usemdala umndeni wakhe uthembele kuye.
If you look at the evidence placed before you by the applicant in his affidavit, it's undisputed. Firstly, he is a retired individual who was a senior person in the department in government. He works farms, he has people who are dependent on him, families, income, and clearly if there's no likelihood in terms of any of the other prerequisites, the interest of justice does not dictate, as the national constitutions are to infringe his free pending allegations in a charge sheet that has not been proved.
Khathi ikhipha isinqumo imantshi ithe umsolo wenza wonke lamacala esasebenza yathi lamacala abucayi kakhulu. Umnyango walahlekelwa izigidi zamarandi okwakuhlelwe ngawo ukuthuthukisa abantu abaswele esifundazweni. Imantshi ithe uphenyo seliphothuliwe futhi nofakazi bazimisele ngokuzothula ubufakazi.
It is also submitted by the state that if the applicant is released on bail, while he is already out on bail in a 244 million case, that there's a likelihood that it will undermine and jeopardize the proper functioning of the criminal justice system, as it will erode the public confidence in the criminal justice system. Your bail is granted in the sum of 10,000 rand. Bail conditions are that you must appear in court on every postponement date, 8:30 in the morning, that you stay present until your name is called, and that is at the court to which the matter is postponed to.
Uphiko liphenya amacala omphakathi NPA lusemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
We all know that bail is not punitive. The Act also says that. However, we respect the court's decision, and we know that the court then considered various factors for each of the accused, because as much as they're all part and parcel of the charges before court, but their circumstances are also quite different.
Icala lihlehlisele umhlazi isihlanu kuNtulikazi. Isicelo sebail sika Sharma sizolalela ngehora lesibili namhlanje ntambama.